Hey guys, how's it going? Jack Scalfani here for another episode. We're going to teach you how to do sloppy joes. That's right. We've done it before on the show, but we're doing it again because a lot of you don't realize you don't have to buy the can of Manwich. What you can do is make it from scratch. We're going to show you how to make it from scratch. And we were going to smoke this, but we thought, well, we want everybody to be able to enjoy this, not just people with smokers. So we're doing this on the stovetop. We'll show you how to brown the meat and do everything. All right, you guys ready? So basically, I grew up on this. This is a great meal. Makes a lot of food. We're doing a double batch today, and it's one of my favorites. Okay, so here's a bunch of ingredients that any household probably has on hand right now. You got hamburger buns. You got this big jug, which we won't need at all, of white vinegar. You got Worcestershire, you got the meat, you got the mustard, the garlic and onion powder, the salt and pepper, brown sugar, ketchup, tomato sauce, and onions. Oh yeah, and somewhere over there is the butter hiding out. I think it's right down there, right? Okay, put a little bit of olive oil in the pan. All right, get your flame started. Always move your pan. Make sure you got a flame. Heat up your oil. Okay, remember my little trick. Just put a little piece of meat in there. And when that piece of meat starts sizzling, we are ready to go with the rest of the meat. Okay, everybody. The meat's starting to sizzle, so we want to put the rest in. Start breaking it up. Okay, next thing you're going to do is take all the meat out, and if there's any grease left in the pan, I don't know what quality your meat is, but any grease left, just go ahead and pour it out. Alright, once the meat is all gone, throw your butter in there, melt that, because we're going to be sauteing those beautiful onions in a minute. It's going to be gorgeous. In fact, once you got the whole bottom covered, you can throw your onions in early if you want. You just want them to be translucent. That butter's going to melt real fast. Just get everything, get all your onions in the butter. Okay guys, this is the part you can put other vegetables in if you want in your sloppy joes. Meat and onions is the basic. You could put bell pepper in here. You could put shallots in here. You can add garlic in here. You could put so many different things. So this is the stage where you'll do it. Once the onions are translucent and you've cooked up anything else you want in here. But I'm showing you the basic recipe. Pretty much how all of America knows how to do it. Alright guys, here's the favorite part of any recipe. It's where you put everything else in. You guys ready? Let's do it. Alright, first put in your tomato sauce. Put in your ketchup. Put in your brown sugar. Now remember, we're doing a double batch, so it's going to look like a lot more than you probably want. Put in your salt, pepper, garlic, and onion. White vinegar. Here's some prepared mustard. When you guys are measuring out your mustard, put a little extra because not all of it's going to come out. Ouch. See, some sticks.
Going fast enough.
And Worcestershire. Get it all incorporated. Turn down your heat to like a medium low or a low. You do that right now. And you're going to bring this to a simmer for about 4, 5, maybe 6 minutes the most. Just trying to incorporate all the flavors. Then in a minute, once this is all done, we're going to reincorporate the meat in. But first we want to get this all cooked together. Okay, now it's time to reincorporate the meat back in. Put that off to the side. Get your meat poured in. It's gonna take a few minutes to get the meat warmed back up. It's still a little warm. Everything's gone pretty quick. Just go ahead and stir that in slowly. Just warm the whole thing up and you're good to go. We're gonna be topping off those buns in a minute. All right, guys, so we're all finished. Tammy's serving up on the bun she just toasted in our new convection countertop oven, and she's just piling it on. You can't be too messy with sloppy joes. You just can't. So there you go. You can, on top, now this is just a sloppy joe, but you can put cheese on this. You can put anything you want. Coleslaw, like a pulled pork sandwich. That's what it looks like. Let me get a shot of that. Okay, guys, so it's time to try our sloppy joe mix now. I'm not biting this on camera. I'm just not doing it. Nothing like being in this device with sloppy joe mix all over me. So I love it when you make a sloppy joe. It's so sloppy that you can't even see the bottom bun. It's just covering it. You guys can have a lot of fun with this recipe and add what you want. Let's give this a try right now. Sweet, very savory. Oh, it's so good, guys. So good. I'll be shocked if anybody says they don't like this. That's how you make it. Excuse me. So Jack Jr., not a big fan of sloppy joes, but I'm sure when he tries this, he's going to become one. All right? I'll see you guys in the next episode. If you got any recipes or ideas, write me, okay? I love you. Take care. Bye-bye.